We are on section 2.6, editing the work center master. And when you have made any mistake or you want to make changes for your work center master, at that time you can use a function called work center change. So let's go there under logistics and production and master data, and then work centers. Instead of routing, we are going to use work centers right here. And we can go to change function, work center and change. So in this part, master data is not just restricted to materials that we have created and or bill of materials or routings. There are master data elements for all aspects of the organization. Each work center also has a master data record, and to enable capacity planning for our facility, we need to edit the existing master data record for the assembly 1000 work center where bikes are assembled. So we are doing this exercise together. And the plant is as we have done. We're going to use DL00 and work center is ASSY 1000, assembly 1000. That's what we have worked, and then hit enter and you come to this place to change work center data. And here we want to, so we see basic data, default values, capacity, scheduling, costing, and so forth. We want to click on capacities, and here capacity category is 002, and let's see what that is. That's a person. And setup formula is SAP 005, setup requirements. And then processing formula is SAP 007. That's our labor requirements. And then we can hit enter. And then you go to the next page. So here you want to specify the details for this type of capacity when used in this work center. And capacity category is labor, so I'm going to type labor here. And then capacity planning. And that's a planner group A. And go to base unit of measure, and this is going to be hour. And then we have standard available capacity, and say we want to finish it by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we want to put capacity utilization as 100. And number of individual capacity is 2. And we want to say this is relevant to finish scheduling and can be used by several operations, and it also includes long-term planning, so make sure you are going to check that, and then hit enter. And then if you have done that, we have finished changing things. Click on Save, and you are able to successfully modify what is going to happen with your assembly plan. Okay, so this is how you are going to change your assembly data or work center data. And this concludes lab 2.